Hello and welcome to this short tutorial on L-HEX and L-EXPLO, two apps created through the EU-funded project Explore. In this video, we will highlight how to use the corresponding application and the scientific data that can be produced with it. L-HEX and L-EXPLO are two of 6 scientific data applications that can be found on the Explore platform. For more detailed information on their features, you can always consult the corresponding user manual. L-EXPLO and L-HEX are two SDAs hosted in the same application environment and are thus open together on the Explore platform. The goal of L-EXPLO is to provide access to a selection of large-scale, higher-level data products from existing lunar orbital missions. It allows the user to visualize these products on the lunar surface and perform further analysis, such as spectral profile queries and spectral indices visualization. It also supports surface mapping tasks, including access to pre-trained deep learning detection and segmentation models. The goal of L-HEX is to study the local correlations and improve geomorphic mapping. It aims to help improve landing site surface classification and characterization by providing access to high-resolution images, 3D models, and spectral products. Due to the high level of integration between these two applications, they will be treated as one SDA for the remainder of this tutorial. After opening the application, the user will see a large 3D model of the Moon. On the left-hand side of the screen, the user can upload and load their data with two corresponding blue buttons. The search bar can be used to find a specific location of the surface. On the right side, several options are presented that help the user navigate the map and perform analysis. The top header provides a few additional options. Most importantly, the Map Settings button allows the user to change the look of the base map, and the Share button allows the created maps to be printed or shared. To move around the map, you can either use the compass on the right-hand side or drag the mouse over the lunar surface. Holding the Ctrl key while dragging the mouse will rotate your view. To zoom, use the scroll wheel on your mouse or the zoom buttons on the right. A pedestrian mode is available using the button on the right. This will change your view to a reflected person standing on the lunar surface. Clicking the Explore Map Data button in the left panel allows the user to search and add the datasets already integrated into the environment. You can find both USGS and Explore base map that can easily be added to the workbench by clicking the plus button next to the map name. In the top header, you can also navigate to the My Data tab, which is also open when clicking the blue Upload button in the original view. Here, your own datasets can be uploaded to the environment. When adding a local file, a list of accepted file formats is shown. It is important that the data is map projected in order to be displayed properly. For more details on the possibilities of the data that can be uploaded, please see the user manual. An overview of the selected datasets can be found in the workbench on the left-hand side. The idle zoom button will change the view to be optimal for the selected dataset. The opacity of the layers can be changed using the slider. The user can also change their view to create a comparison between different datasets. This can be done by either clicking the Compare button on the right or by opening the Compare option via the 3 dots in the workbench. Clicking on a location on the Moon will reveal the value of the dataset at this selected point. Some of the datasets, such as the M-cube hyperspectral data, contain bands that allow the creation of spectral profiles. Using the spectral profile button on the right and selecting a location point covered by the dataset, a reflectance profile can be constructed. A consecutive clicking at another location will plot an additional spectrum. The created plot can be downloaded using the Download CSV button. To allow for deeper analysis of the mineralogical properties of the surface, 28 spectral indexes are available on the platforms. The user can generate RGB composites to better interpret them. When clicking the Band Profile button in the menu on the right, a list of possible dataset and band composition is shown. Here the user can create a JSON file which can be shown in the display by either dragging and dropping the file or by accessing it from the backend after refreshing the page.